Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair your Roborock S7 to this Roborock app on Android. So in order to do this, first you'll need to get the app, and we're showing you how to download it in our other video. Now to connect it, we can approach it multiple ways, and the simplest one is to go for scan to connect. Here it should open the QR scanner. Now we can open Roborock cover like this and simply locate this QR code on it with the red sticker next to it. So now pick up your phone and scan this QR code. Right here we'll need to connect to the Wi-Fi this device, so scroll down your toolbar, move to the Wi-Fi settings, go for the Roborock Vacuum. You can get different name right here, so just search for Roborock. Now go back. Press to the next, enter the Wi-Fi password right here as you're setting up the password right now. So for me, let's go for 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Move to the next step. Now go back and connect to normal Wi-Fi. Connect.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Stand by. Wi-Fi connected.
So the Wi-Fi just connected and we can press on use now. It should load the interface. Click on agree. OK. And now this device is ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.